May I give a word of advice to the audience? If you're shopping at Walmart and you're looking for a wagon and you see one of these Zone Park Trail wagons with these wheels, please do not buy it. Or if you do buy it, make sure that you upgrade the wheels because these wheels didn't last no more than 3 weeks. And you can see this is what you get in the result. I tried to salvage this. It's been a month. And I tried to salvage until I get the wheels that I have on them now, which are replacement wheels that look much better and are better quality. And I had to put a spacer between both sides. And these are 160 mil, 6-inch. And I will leave the link in the descriptions below so you guys can go purchase these wheels themselves. But these are much better, in my opinion. These plastic all-terrain, they claim this is all-terrain. No, it's not. This is not an all-terrain wheel. It's plastic. How can you say all-terrain? It's plastic. That's the whole... No plastic is all-terrain. But anyway, guys. So I wanted to show you how it turns smoothly. It runs smoothly. It's much better. It's not making any noise when you're running down the street. With this wheel, it was making noise with the plastic and the rubber. A bit of a nuisance, in my opinion. But let me tell you, guys. Wow, big difference here. I'm gonna go take this up for a test run. But I got these wheels for about $37.99 on Amazon. I'll leave the links down in the descriptions below so you guys can purchase it. If you have a wagon, you can put electric scooters. These wheels were designed for electric scooters. So keep that in mind. So, yeah. Or for scooters in general. But, yeah. So I took that and went to the hardware store and got 1-inch 3/8 spacers. That's what I did to the hardware store. They were about $1.20 each. So yeah, much better control, much more fluid, much more smoother, and much more quiet when going down the street. I can get bad. I'm in San Francisco, ladies and gentlemen. There's a place called the Tenderloin, and it gets crazy. If I have to walk through the Tenderloin, which sometimes I do, I need to be stealthy. I need to be fast like a ninja. You know me, I'm Panda. As the Panda photographer, I need to be in and out. Pew! No troubles. No complications. These wheels were a complication and problems. Not only they took the wind out of me, when they were getting destroyed, you can feel the tension, the pressure, and what happened was that the weight, it does not support. These wheels cannot support 225 pounds. Look how thin this plastic is. Look how thin this is. It cannot support 125 pounds. And that's what happened. It caved in. So when it caved in, it broke. And this is how it broke. And the hole just got bigger and bigger over time as you roll down the street. And I tried to use methods to keep it alive. But, you know, it was at some point I knew I had to buy wheels. And I made a very expensive investment. So, with that said, everyone, I'm Panda, everybody. And I just upgraded my wagon to some really nice, high-performance scooter wheels. Electric scooter wheels. For my wagon. That Walmart refuses to respond to any of my emails or posts or videos. So, it shows the deniability there. But with that said, everyone, I'm Panda. And I am a photographer, and I would like you to subscribe, share, and you know, show some love. Hit the thumbs button if you think this was some information that was more viable to you. If you were thinking about buying a wagon from Walmart, I would say if you're going to buy the wagon, make sure you buy the cheapest wagon, then buy the wheels. So the wheels will. But I don't recommend buying the cheapest wagon either, because the cheapest wagon can also break under weight. So make sure you buy a wagon that supports. And when you do buy a wagon, make sure that you check the screws. Make sure they are tightened in properly. you might have to check them over time, every like 20 to 30 days. So keep that in mind. With that said, everyone, I'm Panda, and I gotta clean up right now and get going. I need to get some rest. It's been a hard struggle for me trying to stay afloat as someone that just had a job interview this morning and didn't go so well. And well, for me, it went well because I know I don't want to work for the city of San Francisco. Obviously, these people are, you know, not very open-minded, I guess, or in very, I'm going to say very, I don't think they're driven to help people in the communities that I'm looking forward to help. But with that said, everyone, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Happy shooting.